We're installing the supply plenum on the front of the ducted system. So the parts we're going to need, obviously the plenum itself. As you can see, this has got 2 supply connections, an impact driver, some metal screws to be able to fix it, and then some aluminium tape to be able to seal it all the way around. All right, we'll start off with putting on our plenum on our unit. So we get those edges over, put our hand inside and then stretch the bottom over. It should sit pretty secure, just sit in there. So I've got through across the top quite evenly spaced. I'll put one on either side. It's enough to support this size sort of plenum. All right, next step is putting on some tape to insulate and make sure there's no leakage. So what we do is sort of work out how long we need it to be. Tear it off. We're obviously going to need 2 lengths, the same top and bottom, and then 2 shorter lengths on the side. Okay, this is extremely sticky, so if you fold it on itself, you'll never get it off. So what I like to do is sort of fold it into half and peel it off that way. Watch the end because it's going to want to flick up. So we fold it in half just like that. And then working our way out, keeping it as flat as we can. And that's pretty much done. Really well sealed, nice and secure. And then we'll move on to the next step.